Hello everyone, in this video again we would like to come back to the LEXUS RX350 2011 that we have done the most of the work before. This time the customer come back just for some small revision in the work, and we would like to share with what has been done now from the last time because of the limit of the time. So the owner need the car to go outside, quickly, and we left some work over to this time, and now everything is in the right order, right place, and everything is in the good working condition as we want, and even more for the owners. So what we have done so far today is we have activate the Wireless Apple CarPlay and Wireless Android Auto, which you can see on the screen here. It is the Wireless Android Auto, which I'm using the Android phone to record this video. The second thing is that the system has the special button design over there. Now is that little button will have to switch over something beautiful in the system. What it is about is that it is about the control of the map and menu and everything, and now you can see that the system is running like this, and whatever over here, and if we reverse camera it will come reverse, okay, and no problem at all, and reverse and come back, okay. So the thing is, you can see that the steering wheel control working very well over here. The thing is, we answer the question from the owner that he really wants to get the original system back on the new screen. Is that possible? And now the answer is yes. Look at this. Okay, so you can see that definitely that is the original map from the LEXUS RX350 before, and now if you press the menu button, you will see it comes back here, and you can use the mouse, do exactly whatever you were using before. So it's just like that, okay. But it's so cool that if that you can see the side camera, okay, you can press the side camera to see the side camera, easy, no problem. And you can come back to the map, you can come to the menu again and use the mouse again to do whatever you want to do with the screen system. Now the cool thing even more is that now you have dual climate control for the climate control. See this? Now you have the modern climate control on the screen, and if you want to switch to see the climate control as it was original, you can do that, no problem, okay, you can do that. But if otherwise, you can flick back to the modern climate control like this, and that's so beautiful. You can easily control it, okay, like that. And that's the beauty of the system that we are doing now. So if you have the same car, you should expect that we have done the same thing like this, and dual control, dual system on the new 9-inch quad LED screen RX350. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.